Are you staring at a PDF document that is password protected and you have absolutely no idea what that password is? Maybe you created this file months ago and completely forgot the password. Or perhaps someone sent you a secured PDF but forgot to include the unlock code. Whatever the situation, being locked out of your own documents is incredibly frustrating. The good news is that you can remove PDF password protection quickly and easily without downloading sketchy software or risking your computer security. Today, I am going to show you the most reliable method to unlock any PDF file. Plus, I will share several alternative approaches depending on your specific needs and privacy requirements. But before we dive in, I need to give you one very important warning about the tools you should never use.
Just a quick reminder, the info in this video is for lawful use only. Make sure you're the rightful owner or have permission to unlock any PDF. Unauthorized removal of passwords could break copyright laws and terms of service. Always ensure you have the legal right to access and modify the files you're working with. This video follows YouTube's guidelines and community standards.
Now let me show you what I consider the best overall solution for most people who need to remove password from PDF files. This method is completely free, works entirely online so you do not need to install anything, and has proven to be both reliable and secure for millions of users worldwide. The tool I recommend is called UnlockAnyPDF.com. What makes this service stand out from other online PDF password removers is its combination of speed, reliability, and the fact that it handles virtually any type of PDF encryption you might encounter. Here's exactly how to use UnlockAnyPDF to unlock your PDF file. First, open your web browser and either search Google for UnlockAnyPDF.com or type the URL directly into your address bar. Once you reach the website, you will see several options at the top navigation menu. Click on the Unlock option, then select Remove PDF Password from the drop-down menu. You will now see the main unlocking interface. Scroll down slightly and you will find a large drop zone area where you can upload your password-protected PDF. You have two options here. You can either drag your PDF file directly from your computer and drop it into this zone, or you can click the Select File button to browse and choose your PDF manually through a traditional file dialog. After your file uploads, which usually takes just a few seconds, you will see several unlocking options. You can choose to unlock just the PDF file, remove only the password, or remove all restrictions entirely. For most situations, I recommend selecting the full PDF unlock option because this removes all limitations and gives you complete access to do whatever you need with the document, whether that is printing, editing, copying text, or anything else. Once you have made your selection, click the Process button, and the system will begin working on your file. The processing time depends on the size and complexity of your PDF, but most files are completed within 30 to 60 seconds. You will see a progress indicator showing you exactly what is happening. Here is where having a free account becomes really helpful. If you have already created your free account and logged in, once the processing finishes, you will immediately see that your file is ready, and you can download the unlocked version as a zip file. If you have not created an account yet, the system will prompt you to do so, which takes less than a minute and only requires a basic email address. After downloading the zip file, extract it, you will see your PDF password. Copy the password, enter it into your locked PDF, and you're done. Your PDF is now fully accessible for editing, printing, and sharing. Best of all, this method ensures the original formatting and quality of your document remain perfectly intact.
While UnlockAnyPDF.com works perfectly for most people and most situations, I want to make sure you know about other valid options that might be better suited to your specific circumstances or preferences. Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you already have an Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription, this can be an excellent choice for removing PDF passwords, especially if you know the current password and simply want to remove the protection permanently. Adobe Acrobat Pro is particularly useful for business environments where you are working with multiple password-protected documents regularly. The advantage here is that you are using official Adobe software, so there are no concerns about third-party services. However, keep in mind that Acrobat Pro requires a paid subscription and can be overkill if you only occasionally need to unlock PDFs. Other online tools. You will find dozens of other online PDF unlockers if you search around the internet. Some popular alternatives include PDF24, Sejda, Small PDF, and PDF Gear. While many of these services can work effectively, I want you to be extremely cautious about which ones you choose to trust. Not all online PDF tools maintain the same privacy and security standards. Before uploading any sensitive documents to an online service, carefully read their privacy policy to understand how they handle your files. Look for services that clearly state they delete uploaded files after processing and do not store or access your document content. Some less reputable sites might keep copies of your files or have inadequate security measures. Offline software solutions.
If you regularly work with highly sensitive or confidential PDF documents, offline software might be your best choice because it means your files never leave your computer and are not uploaded to any internet service. Popular offline options include PDF Element, EaseUS PDF Editor, and VeryPDF PDF Password Remover. These programs typically offer free trials with limited functionality, then require a one-time purchase or subscription for full features. The main advantage is complete privacy, since everything happens locally on your device. The downside is that you need to install software. These programs often cost money, and they can be more complex to use than simple online tools. Browser-based methods. Some people have success using Google Chrome to remove certain types of PDF restrictions. This method works by opening the PDF in Chrome, then printing it as a new PDF file, which sometimes removes basic password protection. However, this approach is hit or miss and does not work with stronger encryption methods, so I only recommend it as a last resort option.
Let me quickly recap everything we have covered today. We have explored multiple approaches to remove password from PDF files, each with its own advantages depending on your situation. For occasional use with standard documents, online tools like UnlockAnyPDF.com offer the perfect balance of convenience, effectiveness, and cost since they are completely free. If you work in a professional environment and already have Adobe Acrobat Pro, that can be an excellent choice for regular PDF management tasks. And for highly sensitive documents where privacy is your top concern, offline software ensures your files never leave your computer. However, for most people dealing with forgotten PDF passwords or basic restriction removal, I strongly recommend starting with UnlockAnyPDF.com. It handles the vast majority of PDF encryption types you will encounter, works quickly and reliably, requires no software installation, and costs absolutely nothing to use. Most importantly, it gets you back to working with your documents immediately, instead of struggling with complicated workarounds or expensive software purchases. I encourage you to try UnlockAnyPDF.com the next time you encounter a locked PDF. The entire process takes less than 2 minutes from start to finish, and you will have your unlocked document ready to use however you need. If this tutorial helped you solve your PDF password problem, please let me know in the comments below. I love hearing about your success stories, and your feedback helps me create even more useful content. Also, if you found this video valuable, consider subscribing to the channel because I regularly share practical tech solutions that can save you time and frustration with common computer and document challenges. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.